Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make other toy. Let's see how to make other games. This is for young children, or if you are older, or if you played other games when you were. Please comment. Take another water bottle cap as shown in this video. Watch the video to see how I do it. If you like the video, please like it. Make two holes. You can tie other strings as I show in the video, or you can tie strings as I show in the video, or you can use other types of strings. If you have any questions about this video, please comment. T the other third. Please comment and let me know how you like this video. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions about this video, please comment and let me know. Thank you. See you in the next video. God bless you. If you want to get the next new video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any ideas, comment and let me know. I will also make a video about that.